Hi guys, so it's that time of year again when the kids are going back to school, and me and Tesco wanted to be useful to you guys and help you get more of the good stuff into the kids. I've put together some brilliant tips and inspiration for school lunches. This tip, it's about pizza. Literally, in a couple of minutes of moving around, you're going to have enough dough for 6 or 7 lovely pizzettas. So a nice tip if you want to get them fluffy and a nice crispy bottom, put it on a gas hob just for 1 minute, and that lovely dough is starting to puff. Turn it off and straight in the oven. And look at these. Brilliant in a packed lunchbox. For more recipes, hints and tips, go to tesco.com/recipes.